What is real estate wholesaling? Real estate wholesaling is a great way to make money in real estate without ever owning a property. It involves finding deeply discounted properties and getting them under contract. Then, you assign the contract to an interested buyer. The difference between the price you have under contract and the price the buyer pays is your profit. It's like being a middleman in a real estate transaction. Wholesaling is attractive because it requires little to no capital. You are essentially facilitating a transaction between a motivated seller and an eager buyer. Your role is to connect the two parties and negotiate a win-win situation for everyone involved. This makes it an ideal strategy for newcomers to real estate. As a wholesaler, you need to be able to identify a good deal. This means understanding market values and being able to find properties priced below market value. You also need to be a good negotiator. You'll be negotiating with both sellers and buyers to get the best possible price. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding way to get started in real estate, wholesaling might be the right strategy for you. It offers flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential for significant profits. Step 1. Know your market. Before you can start finding deals, you need to know your market. This means understanding the local real estate market trends, property values, and neighborhoods. Research average sale prices, rental rates, and property taxes in your chosen area. Familiarize yourself with different neighborhoods and their unique characteristics. Identify areas with high demand from buyers and areas with a larger concentration of distressed properties. These are often signs of a good market for wholesalers. Attend local real estate investment club meetings and network with other investors. Learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights into your market. Building relationships with experienced investors can provide guidance and support as you navigate the intricacies of wholesaling. By thoroughly understanding your market, you'll be better equipped to identify lucrative deals and make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power in real estate, and a deep understanding of your market will be your most valuable asset. Step 2. Build your buyer list. Having a list of cash buyers is crucial for a successful wholesaling business. These are investors who are ready to purchase properties quickly, often without traditional financing. Start by networking with other real estate investors both online and offline. Attend real estate investment meetups, seminars, and workshops. Engage in online forums and social media groups dedicated to real estate investing. Let people know you're a wholesaler looking to connect with cash buyers. Build relationships with potential buyers by providing value. Share your knowledge of the local market, offer potential deals, and be responsive to their inquiries. Building trust is essential when working with cash buyers. A strong buyer list ensures you have ready buyers when you find a great deal. This speeds up the closing process and increases your chances of successfully wholesaling a property. Step 3. Find distressed properties. Finding distressed properties is at the heart of real estate wholesaling. These are properties that owners need to sell quickly, often below market value. Look for properties with signs of neglect, such as overgrown yards or boarded-up windows. Target pre-foreclosure listings, probate court filings, and tax-delinquent properties. These situations often lead to motivated sellers who are willing to accept a lower price for a quick sale. Utilize online real estate platforms, drive for dollars in targeted neighborhoods, and network with real estate agents who specialize in distressed properties. Direct mail marketing to homeowners in distress can also be effective. Craft compelling letters explaining your services and how you can help them sell their property quickly. Persistence is key when searching for distressed properties. Remember, the more creative and proactive you are in your search, the more likely you are to uncover hidden gems. Each property you analyze hones your skills in identifying potential deals. Step 4. Make an offer. Once you've found a potential deal, it's time to make an offer. Base your offer on the property's after-repair value, or ARV, minus your desired profit and estimated repair costs. The ARV is the estimated market value of the property after it's been renovated. Be prepared to negotiate with the seller. Remember, they may have emotional attachments to the property, so approach the negotiation with empathy and understanding. Clearly outline the benefits of selling to you, emphasizing a fast and hassle-free closing process. Don't be afraid to walk away if the deal doesn't meet your criteria. It's better to pass on a deal than to overpay or get involved in a complicated transaction. Your goal is to secure a contract that allows for a profitable wholesale deal. Remember, each offer you make contributes to your learning experience. Analyze the outcomes of your offers to refine your negotiation skills and improve your future offers. Step 5. Secure financing. While wholesaling typically requires less capital upfront, having access to financing can be beneficial. It demonstrates to sellers that you're a serious buyer and can close the deal. Explore financing options like transactional funding, hard money loans, or private money loans. Transactional funding is a short-term loan specifically for wholesalers. It allows you to close the deal quickly without using your own funds. Hard money loans are another option, typically offered by private lenders. These loans are based on the value of the property, rather than your credit score. Private money loans are sourced from individuals you know, like friends or family, who are willing to lend you the funds for a short period. Building relationships with potential lenders is crucial in securing favorable terms for your wholesale deals. Having financing options in place provides you with flexibility and credibility when negotiating with sellers. It can make the difference between securing a great deal and missing out on a profitable opportunity. Step 6. Close the deal. Once you have a signed contract from the seller, it's time to find a buyer and close the deal. Contact potential buyers on your list and present them with the property details and your assignment fee. Be transparent with both the seller and the buyer throughout the entire process. Coordinate the closing process with the title company or real estate attorney. They will handle the legal paperwork and ensure a smooth transfer of ownership. Your role is to facilitate communication between the parties and address any questions or concerns that arise. Once the deal closes, you receive your assignment fee. This is the profit you make from wholesaling the property. Always strive to create a win-win situation for both the seller and the buyer. Building a reputation for fairness and efficiency will lead to more successful deals and referrals in the future. Remember, a smooth closing process is a testament to your professionalism and expertise. Tips for success in real estate wholesaling. To succeed in real estate wholesaling, focus on building relationships with investors and understanding their buying criteria. Network with other wholesalers and real estate professionals to learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights. Attend industry events, join online forums, and seek out mentorship opportunities. Master your negotiation skills to secure favorable deals with both sellers and buyers. Develop a keen eye for identifying undervalued properties and accurately estimating repair costs. Stay updated on market trends, legal regulations, and financing options. Embrace technology to streamline your processes. Utilize real estate investment software to analyze deals, manage your buyer list, and track your marketing efforts. Persistence and adaptability are key. Remember, the real estate market is constantly evolving, so be prepared to adjust your strategies and embrace new technologies to stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning in real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling, like any other field, requires continuous learning and improvement. Stay informed about market trends, legal updates, and emerging strategies. Attend industry conferences, read books and articles by experienced investors, and participate in online courses to expand your knowledge. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Analyze your successes and failures to identify areas for improvement. Seek feedback from mentors and peers to gain different perspectives and refine your approach. Network with other wholesalers to share best practices, challenges, and market insights. Embrace technology and utilize tools that streamline your processes and enhance your efficiency. Remember, the real estate market is dynamic. By committing to continuous learning, you'll be better equipped to adapt to changes, capitalize on new opportunities, and achieve lasting success in the exciting world of real estate wholesaling.